I'm ready.
Okay, this is the diaphragm here, okay, muscular on top. This is the liver, okay, and in the liver here in the posterior section you have the gallbladder. You lift up your liver. You have your stomach here, which is the J-shaped organ. Okay. On the greater curvature of the stomach you have the greater omentum here, which is just your fatty apron. Coming off the stomach you have the duodenum. In the curvature of the duodenum you have the head of the pancreas here, and this is the pancreas that extends all the way along underneath the stomach. So that's all pancreas. Follow the duodenum along, it goes underneath. Okay. Then you kind of have your jejunum section, and then you have your ileum section of the small intestine. Okay. All of this in here is mesentery, okay, holding the small intestine into place. Then you have your large intestine. This is the cecum, where the blind end pouch. Then you have your ascending colon, your transverse colon, and then your descending colon. And this would be your sigmoid, but I don't see it on there, so you don't have to worry about your sigmoid colon. For your ducts up here, oh, and your spleen. Sorry, here's your spleen next to your stomach here, that's your spleen. Up here you have your ducts. So, the duct coming off the gallbladder is your cystic duct. The duct coming off the liver is your hepatic duct, and they both join to form the common bile duct. Okay? So that's your digestive organs. Once your aorta passes through the diaphragm up here, it's called the abdominal aorta. The first branches off the abdominal aorta are the celiac here. The celiac has 3 branches: hepatic, okay, gastric, okay, and splenic. Okay, so that goes to the liver, that goes to the stomach, that goes to the spleen. And then your second branch off the abdominal aorta is your superior mesenteric. And then down here you have your inferior mesenteric, which goes to your large intestine. On your kidney, underneath your renal vein, you have your renal artery. And you just need to know one kidney. And then the other location you need to know is your femoral arteries in your leg. So this would be your left one, and then you have a right one as well.
And that's a kitten.
That's it.